Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. These are my few previous videos and I hope you guys have already loved it. And thank you so much for your love and support.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So I hope you have been following for a little while. If not, do take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Hit like, share and comment if any kind of video you are looking forward to see with me. So yes, there was a last video that I uploaded, the best face washes for all skin types, which is free of chemicals and sulfate and everything of that. So on that I got a comment from, there was a request actually from Sumita Chaki about my honest skincare routine, because I think she might have followed my other videos and she wanted to know what is my take on the honest skincare, or what is my skincare technique that I use every day. Now I have actually completed filming my video, so I am full of makeup. Now this is something which I'm filming at the night, so I will be sharing the night regime, but at the same time I'll give you a picture of what I do in the day regime as well. They are mostly the same, only there are few little differences. I do a very basic skincare regime for day and night, and try to understand one thing: the less chemical or less product that you use on your skin, the better your skin will react. It's not only the external products that you use will make your skin good, and it is also the amount of water that you drink. Used to drinking a lot of water. I know in lot part of the city it is raining, the winter is coming, but still I think water is something which is very, very basic for your good skin. Touch wood, I will not say mine is the best skin, but whatever skin I have, the first thing which I take it as, I drink a lot of water. Trust me, since I was a baby girl, I used to drink so much water that my mom always used to push in a water bottle with me. So that is something I think that I have inculcated with me. I drink a lot of water. So I think water is something which will hydrate your skin, your body, and that's how your skin will be a little better. The eating habits, try to indulge more of fruits and salads. I don't use more of fruits and salads. I was never a big fan of fruits and salads, but eventually when I understood if you really wanted to have a good skin, you need to have lots of fruits and salads. So that is the two basic things which I follow. And the third thing is clean your skin, whether it be your face skin, your hand skin, your leg skin, whatever it is. Try to be a little hygienic. Try to do a proper scrubbing, and then whatever it takes to keep it clean. So for face, since I wanted to talk about the skincare regime of face, I will talk only about the face. I will make a separate video of how I remove my tan and everything. My hand is very tan compared to my face. This is the natural thing. So I will make a separate video on how hands and legs I kind of get rid. Now everything that I use, from the scrub and everything, usually in day-to-day life, I take the things usually from the kitchen. So I will make a separate video, definitely Sumita, on that. But as of now, skincare regime, I am including night care and day care, how I take care of my skin. So these three are the basic things. Drink a lot of water, have lots of fruits and salads as much as you can. Fruits does not mean only the costly fruits. You can eat bananas, apple. Depending on all the season fruits, have a lot of fruits, at least one fruit a day is something which I believe. The third thing is properly scrubbing and properly, cleaning your skin. Not every day, scrubbing, don't do it every day. But again, cleaning of the skin every day is very important. 2 times face wash is very important, early morning before going to work, and then put on whatever you want to put on, foundation, this, that, whatever you can put on depending on your choice. And before going to bed, face wash or cleaning your face. If you are really tired, clean your face and then. So without further ado, let's just get into, these are the few things I wanted to say, because without these things, whatever I am showing you or whatever I do every day will make no sense. So that's what I wanted to speak this at a length. So the first thing, I'm full of completely makeup because I completed my shoot. I did not go anywhere out, but I completed my shoot. So I think everything is in. So one thing, before going to bed, do not put everything and then go to bed. That is something which is damaging your skin for a very long time. So I will take a normal cotton pad. This is something you will get it. I do not use cotton vibes. I somewhere don't feel it's good for the nature as well. So I will first of all use astringent to remove all my makeup. Now there is a lot of things you can remove makeup, coconut oil, lot of other creams, but I personally use astringent. This is the normal Ayurka astringent. You can use any astringent. I have been using this since college life and I don't leave it. I love it. So astringent is something today, since I am sitting in front of the camera, I'm going to show you. So the first thing which I will be doing is astringent, and then I will do the face wash. So remove as much as you can. Now makeup remover, I think Garnier have that, I do have that, but again I love astringent for so much that you don't need any one swipe. I think astringent does the job. I think makeup remover by Garnier, it really hurts your eyes because that's really minty kind of, but again if you kind of close it for a long time it will go off. Astringent is something which cleanses your skin from deep. That is something I believe. Take your own time to get rid of everything. Now astringent is a little minty, so it will give you a burning sensation, but at the same time it will remove everything. Trust me, it removes everything. So I think 90% have removed everything on my face, and then quickly I will go through a face wash, and then I will come back to you guys. Completely did my face wash, so that is the second step. First step is to completely, so for example you come out from office, or probably you come out from anywhere going to the home before you sleep. So I think that is the first step. Use astringent or the toner. The best thing is you can use toner. The second thing which I usually use is a kind of DIY. This is a facial mist. I already had a separate video of how I used it. I have taken aloe vera gel and then rose water in a quantity. I mixed it, and this is how this is the spray that I use every day. Specifically going to bed, this is the night regime, and also in the morning also you can use it before you do any kind of makeup. So this is something which I kind of use. Apart from that, if you don't have, you can use any good toner. The first thing is remove all the earrings or anything that you are wearing. That is something which I do first, but I actually forgot. So remove everything. So I'm completely after face wash. This is actually how I look, and then I will be using my this DIY. So I will just spray it. And then I use this roll-on. This is the Jade roll-on, which I've already spoken a lot in my channel. So I use this Jade roller. This is basically to you know, enhance the blood circulation. So we have to use it in direction. Now this side is something that will be using under or above your eyes. This is to calm your eyes, and again this thing I store in the fridge. This is a Jade roll-on. I think you will easily get it in Flipkart. I personally got it in purple actually, but I think in Flipkart also you'll get it. Amazon also you'll get it. There are very good kind of Jade rollers. So without speaking much, I will kind of Now this actually relaxes your skin to a greater level. Always use this in an upward direction, never do like this. That will lead to the sagging of your skin. I kind of massage it for like good 1 to 2 minutes. Now since my face is a little bulgy, so I kind of wanted to do like this, so that at least this line will be better, like very better, sharp, and so that's how also you can work it. And then the next thing, I will be washing this, drying this, and put it back to the fridge. So these two are the products that you have to store in the fridge, and that relaxes your skin to a greater level. The next thing which I will be doing is the toner. Now I have already mentioned toner you can use to remove your makeup, but again you can use anything of your choice to remove makeup or to clean your skin. But personally, if you ask me, astringent is one thing that I love, and I still do that. Then the next thing, you have to pat it, because this is aloe vera and rose water, so you do not need to wash it, but pat it so that it completely get into your skin. Now the water went into my hair as well, so that's the second thing. The third thing is the toner. Now I have already shared a video on how much I love this toner. This is Wow Vitamin C facial mist. This is one of the toners that I love, and I have already used, I'm halfway through to it. So I'm gonna sprinkle this. It has citrus, a lot of citrusy flavor, so it gives a lot of freshness to your skin. Actually, it gives you the glow back what your original skin is. It has lemon essential oil, orange essential oil, and very good ingredients. I've made a separate video on this, please do check out. Then again I will switch to the roll-ons so that it completely gets absorbed to my skin. It might take a little long as I speak with you, but actually when you do it, it barely takes just 5 minutes of the skincare. Then I'm gonna tap it and leave it. So that's how I do, and then you get fresh up. And the last step is the cream. Now for the facial cream, I use Good Vibes Saffron Nourishing Cream. Now this is the cream that I use. Yes, it is mentioned as a day cream, but I use both for day and night. But again, there are a lot of night creams also, but always I go for Good Vibes, because this is not a sponsored video, but I personally love the Good Vibes cream so badly that it's been like 2 years. I love them. The night cream, I am actually over. I don't have it. I used to have a argan night cream, yeah, argan oil sunlight night cream, but now if I wanted to use anything on the argan, I have a separate essential oil of argan, so I kind of massage it. Instead of doing with this facial mist, I take the facial oil and then I do it. Or else, if the facial oil is very oily for your skin, you can mix it with your day cream and then kind of use it. So I will try and do that as of now, because that will give you a clear picture what exactly at night, because night I usually use argan oil over any other cream. As of now, I will take a little bit of this saffron Good Vibes, and then I'm gonna mix it with the argan oil, and then I kind of apply it. Now I will show you the argan oil as well. Only your skin that need to be hydrated and good, it is always your lips also that needs to be hydrated. So before you go to sleep, or you go to bed, or you go for out anywhere, do not leave your lips chapped. It is very, very, very bad. Also, your lips need hydration. So mostly for that, I use 2 lip balms, which is one from Eva and one is from Lip Lust. This is J. Quirky's lip color. It is not actually tinted, but usually you can use any. I use Nivea also. I keep on switching the lip balms. So always it is that you should always hydrate your lips as well. It's a little tinted one. So before I do everything or before I go to bed, I do use lip balms, whether it be tinted, whether it not be tinted. But usually I love tinted lip balms over any of the, you know, the complete transparent one, because it kind of give you a little bit of illusion that your lips are little healthy. So always hydrate your lips also along with your skin, and then follow on the other steps. So this is the Argan facial oil that I use. This is also from Good Vibes. It comes with a dropper, and I love argan oil as a night cream. Anything of argan, I love it. Since it was summer, so I used the night cream so badly that I now don't have. So with this, okay, usually I don't take it here, I take it here, and then I put 2 drops of it, and then kind of apply it in the dotted way. And please do it in the upward direction, never on the downward direction. Now argan oil is something which actually works a kind of anti-aging, adds a glow to your skin, and at the same time is very good basically for the glow. Yeah, I will read what all it does, but I have heard a lot of things about this argan facial oil, and it actually does the job very nicely. Yeah. Do not leave your neck part anyway. So that's pretty much, that's what I do. Now coming to the day part. The day part is, firstly I start with my face wash. Second, I go with a toner instead of astringent, because when you are going to sleep, that's the time the entire dirt or anything that you needs to poke out of your skin. So I think the astringent is the night part. The morning part, you can use the normal rose water or the normal facial mist, any kind of use. You can use this as a DIY, and then kind of pat it down and then massage it and then leave it. Do not and also if your skin is really dry, you can use the day cream. I usually don't use, because I use primer and then start off, because morning my skin is a little oily, but again depend on your skin. You can also use the normal moisturizer and then carry out. So and also when it comes to the complete skincare regime, I will also mention that in a week use 2 times scrub, the face scrub. Now the face scrub that I use is from Neutrogena. You can easily anywhere get it. The Neutrogena is one of the scrub which is so good. It is mild and at the same time it does a good job. So use very mild scrub only twice a week. Do not use it every day and your skin will not suddenly glow. It doesn't happen. So use scrub twice a week, and a facial oil is something you can use depending on your skin type. I use mostly before going to sleep, because that completely actually repairs your skin, specifically at night. So do not forget that the skin repairs specifically at night. So take a little 5 to 7 minutes to look into your skin before you go to the bed. Or the basic thing, if you don't really have a time, take any of the facial mist. Please use this roll-ons, and there are a lot of other jade rollers and face rollers to increase the circulation. So I think these 2 are main, and always hydrate your skin. So that is only the basic things for a good skin that I have for you in this video, and very soon I will be coming up with the next video. Do take a moment to like, share and subscribe. Do let me know, I'm completely without makeup, so do not mind that. And do take a moment to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And that's pretty much. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.